Colt has now fabricated and delivered the modular data centre to Verne Global in Iceland. Just how was this achieved? Our story begins in northern England.
Where we are is Dawson's North Sea Supply Base. What we're physically doing today is taking the main modules and the various other containers from the various sheds that Dawson's have here, where they then get lifted into the hold of the ship.
Right now, we're under the main loading crane and we're lifting the main modules, which is going straight into the ship's lower hold. These are 13 modules made up of 12 data modules and a D-box room, which form the main data hall for Verne in Iceland. About 40 miles away from here, up in Gateshead, close to Newcastle, is where we've been assembling these modules.
The Gateshead operation have developed great expertise in creating the modular data centre. They build the module from the raw steel, add the cladding, the flooring, the wiring and everything else according to the specification.
We can control the quality of the build by building in a factory, and it is far, far safer because we're cutting down the window of opportunity to have an accident.
There's the skilled crew. We have done this repeatedly and a controlled environment. We've now produced almost 100 of these modules and they now know exactly what they've got to do and produce the same product again and again. We want it to come out as a product that everybody is proud of. It's a BMW of data centres. We are producing a quality product.
The Colt solution is manufactured off-site and they're configured in such a way that we can transport them to the docks, put them on a ship, and bring them up to Iceland.
We're now in Helgavik, Iceland, and Helgavik is the closest port to where the job site is.
They're offloading the modules and additional equipment, cooling units and the UPS systems and the electrical distribution systems.
It is absolutely unique. I don't think that there are any modular data centres anywhere near this size that have been shipped anywhere near this sort of distance.
When I saw the ship on the docks, then I finally came upon me that this is really going to happen. I'm just overwhelmed with joy. We are at the Verne Global facility in Iceland, and this is basically where the data center will be built out. This is a Verne campus, if you like. The beauty of the Colt solution is that it allows us to concentrate on building out the warehouse shell without having any data center equipment here while that's going on. So we can basically concentrate on preparing the shell ready for the modules when they arrive. The modules will start arriving, they will be skated into the floor and then up against the corridor wall there. And then we will build out 13 of them altogether, ending with a switchgear over at this end over here.
The advantage of the Colt solution is that it's not individual containers. It's individual truckloads of kit that's been pre-manufactured. It's brought to site, bolted together, and within a matter of weeks, you're walking into a 500 square meter data center facility that looks and tastes and feels like a data center.
They definitely know what they're doing, no question about that.